Hey, I'm Ryan from Spicy Web. I'm really excited to share a recent project that we've completed for Monash University and Sustainability Victoria called the Circular Economy Journey. The Circular Economy Journey is a project undertaken by Monash Business School to investigate Victoria's manufacturing industry and their adoption of circular economy practices. We're talking about the top end of town, the biggest polluters. The purpose of this work is to understand how well those businesses are adapting to sustainable business practices and to push that information through really practical and approachable steps for them. This is a project that's been really close to our hearts and one that we were super excited to be engaged for. Working with their client team, we took their research report and developed a comprehensive visual identity and an online platform that engages their core audience and communicates the content. From a design perspective, creative decisions were made with a clear understanding of the context and the audience. We're talking about owners and high-level management at large-scale, heavy manufacturing operations. While sustainable practices at some of these organisations has been really strong, there are also definitely others that are hesitant and sometimes really resistant to this sort of change. Everything from the colour palette to the tone of voice in our work has been really careful and intentional to appeal directly to that audience. Since the completion of this project, the project team at Monash Business School and Sustainability Victoria have been able to take this content, take this platform and start to share it to the world. They've been doing lots of conferences and seminars presenting this information, and they're finding really strong resonance with their audience and really strong uptake in terms of the content and the actions they're looking to see as a follow-through. This has been a super exciting project for us. We're really excited with the end result and really proud of the work that we've done here. And looking forward to working with Monash University and Sustainability Victoria into the future.